name is Adaline from Ben Franklin, and I'm here to demonstrate our specialty Grad Gnome for the class of 2020. So our first step is going to take our pre-filled bag and, as always, glue in the corners to the center. For your grad cap, your kit will come with this template to cut out your felt, and you should end up with two 6x6 inch squares and one 1.5 inch band. Along with that, you'll have a 1.5 inch band of thicker paper and a 4x4 square of chipboard. Take one 6x6 inch piece of felt and put it at a diagonal. Then take your chipboard and place it in the center so the corners form little tabs. We're going to cover the chipboard and glue, then fold in the corners so they meet in the center. Press it all down and you have your hat. For our band, we're going to glue our long strip of paper onto our felt. Cut off the excess felt. Now we're going to wrap our band into a circle and glue it so it overlaps about 2 inches in. Once you decide which corner will be the front of your cap, take the tab of your circle and place it opposite so that when you glue it in place, you don't see it. Next, we're going to make the tassel. Your kit will come with 2 yards of each color of string. You will cut those into 8-inch pieces, then set aside 1 piece of each color. Combine your 2 colors of string, then lay one of your set aside strings across the middle, fold it over, and tie it in a simple slip knot. Then make sure your strings are even and use your other string to tie them off about 1/2 inch from the top. Cut off the excess from the piece that you use to tie your string. Place your tack in the center of your cap, push it about halfway in, then loop your tassel and push it all the way. Then, once you have your tassel connected to your hat, you can trim the edges so they're a bit more even. Find the front corner of your hat, place a line of glue inside the brim, and attach your beard so the fur faces out. To attach the nose, we're going to pull away a bit of the felt right under the bottom of the cap, add a dot of hot glue, and attach our wooden nose. To make the gown, we're going to glue the top 2 corners together. Then we're going to stretch out the felt at the corners and across the front so that it flares out like a real graduation gown. For our sign, we're going to glue our white rectangle on top of our black. These will come pre-cut in your kit. And then glue this piece onto your wooden stick and write your Class of 2020 message. Now it's time to assemble our graduation gnome. We're going to take our bag and put our gown on top of it. Then place our hat with the beard on top of that. I cut a small slit into my gown for my sign to sit, and then I'm going to add a little bit of glue so it stands upright and attach it to the hat. These grad gnomes are available in the local high school colors, or you can special order them for our college graduates. If you'd like to commemorate the year, you can also include the face mask that is available as an add-on for your little guy. Happy graduation to the class of 2020 and happy crafting!